Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to install your closure wig using no glue. First, you need a wig cap. I like this color because I can tint it to match my complexion. Next, you'll need a foundation that matches you. I use Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 365, as well as a foundation brush. Simply apply your wig cap, put the foundation on the back of your hand, and gently apply that product in the area that your lace will be shown. Now we're going to grab our wig. As you can see, it's too light for me. We're going to take that same foundation on the back of our hand and our foundation brush and apply it on the inside of the lace. You can apply it all over, but I just like to apply it in the area that will be shown, which is along the part and along the hairline. The next thing I like to do is put on my wig to see if any adjustments need to be made. As you can see, the lace was still a little too light, so I took my foundation brush and gently tapped any excess product onto the lace until I got my desired look. Now that our lace is tinted, it's time for the baby hairs. The first thing I do is grab the perfect foaming mousse and Bolto liquid gold and apply it to the back of my hand. I do about 3 pumps of the mousse with 1 drop of the liquid gold and mix it together with a baby hair comb. Now take that same mixture you just made and apply it to your baby hair section. Start to swoop them back into the hairline until they look good to you. All products I use in this video will be linked in the description box below. Once you've shaped your baby hairs, take that same product and gently tap it into the front of your lace. This is going to give you that melted effect. Once you've completed these steps, here's how your hairline should look. To help your lace melt, you should wrap the front of your hair with a wrap strip for about 20 to 30 minutes. Here's my hairline after letting it dry with the wrap strip for about 25 minutes. Now it's time to style our hair. I use this heat protectant and I spray it on a small section of the hair and then run my fingers through it. Then I grab my favorite curling iron, the Babyliss 1.25 inch, and begin to curl. Now to curl your hair, you're going to clamp, gently pull down, and then twist back up. You're going to do this pull and twist method until you reach the end of the hair and then hold for about 10 seconds to let that heat penetrate. Once the 10 seconds is up, just release that curl into your hand and hold it until it cools and then spray it with hairspray. I use a Sebastian shaper. And then just continue this curling process throughout the rest of your head. So heat protectant, curl, pull down and twist till the end, let it cool, and then spray with hairspray. Sounds like a lot, but it's super easy. Now that we've reached the top sections of hair, we're going to curl a different way. Your clamp should be facing forward and you're going to curl going away from your face. This is going to allow the curls in the front to beautifully frame your face. Method on the other side of our hair, so all the bottom sections will be curled under with the pull and twist technique, and then when you get to the top, clamp is facing forward and you're curling going away from the face. Now for the finishing touches, we're going to grab the perfect wax stick and we're going to just apply that to the front of our hairline and then to any flyaways we may have at the top. Next, we're going to grab the perfect hot comb pro to give us that frontal effect and just to smooth out the top of the hair and get that wig really flat. Now that our hairline is melted and our wig is flat, it's time to brush out these curls. You can use a wide tooth comb or just run your fingers through it like this until you get that effortless look. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. And just look at the volume, look at the body, it's really given. It's really the glueless melt for me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe.